Want to control your iPhone with just your head? Here's how to use head tracking on iOS 26. First, open Settings, tap Accessibility, and choose Head Tracking. Read the brief description so you know what it can do. Move a pointer with head motion and trigger actions with facial gestures like raising your eyebrows or opening your mouth. Next, in tracking mode, set the pointer to with face. This keeps movements natural so you don't have to tilt your head to extremes just to reach a corner. Turn head tracking on, look at the screen, and gently move your head to guide the cursor. Hover over a button and hold steady for a moment to click. If it feels jumpy, lower your dwell time or sensitivity in the same menu. To assign facial actions, scroll to actions and map gestures such as raise eyebrows or smile to things like flashlight or volume up. Test in good lighting, and if you wear glasses, try without them for better recognition. When you're done experimenting, toggle dwell control off to avoid accidental taps. That's it. Enjoy hands-free control of your iPhone. If this helped you, tap like, share your favorite accessibility trick in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.